After filling up, it's time to get a good night's sleep because you definitely need it. In the morning, we'll be heading off to one of the most popular day tours. Our destination is the Rock Island. There is no need to book in advance since there's daily departures and a lot of competition all over the town. You might even able to find last minute deals for $100 or less. So good morning. We are going to go somewhere really special today and going to go on to a little tour actually. So I actually came here to basically try out the wetsuits and the fins and everything because we are going to go snorkeling. The port is actually too shallow to actually hold on to a large boat. So the water taxi actually bring us to the main boat where we're going to be heading out to the sea. The ride takes about 45 minutes to our first stop, the Grand Beach. You only have one life to live, so you might just do it. So we just stopped here right now, and your choice: snorkel, swim. We're gonna head over to the beach, I think. I don't know in what particular sequence, but you'll find out when I find out. Landing here in Cerro Brujo. Cerro Brujo in Spanish means rich hill, and this is one of the most beaches here in the Galapagos. Now, as you can see, some tracks along the way, and these are sea turtle tracks, and basically that's where they nest here. Also, on the other side of this beach is a little bit dangerous because the wave are really strong and people get hit by it and die from it, but there's still a lot of fishermen that come here fish because it's a really rich fishing area for them. The Cerro Brujo actually means Witches Hills. The main attractions are Coral Sand Beach, one of the best white sand beach in the Galapagos for walking, bird watching, and encountering wildlife. It's also home to blue-footed boobies, marine iguanas, brown pelicans, frigid birds, Sally lightfoot crabs, sea turtle, and rays. As the official runway director for the New York Fashion Week, I know a thing about 6 packs. I don't think I have it, but I'm not going to deter me from going to try out snorkeling here. Hey, you already been here and you already paid your dues, right? It's really cold. I'm going to bam it up. Oh my god. The water is a little bit murky on this side, which is so you can't really see too much. That is definitely my new bestie. Yep. Yo, what's up? Hey guys. However, if you want to more than just like on your loved one's social media, this is a cool idea. Another interesting thing you can do on this beach, I take full credit for this. Pick up a stick, write people you love, their names. We are on our way back. I'm not too fast. Goodbye. I still have to learn Cerro Brujo. Cerro. Okay. With that being done, it's time to head back for lunch and our way to the Kicker Rock Islands. So your tour comes with a lunch. Yes, it's complimentary. There's rice, there's salad, there's some plantains and some fish. And you got to, come on, if you come to Galapagos, you have to try out the fish. It's surrounded by sea. They will never screw that up. Once again, bon appetit. The Kicker Rock, also known as Leon Domino, is a remainder of a volcanic cone eroded by the sea across hundreds of years. Above the water, the monolithic rock towers 500 feet above the Pacific Ocean. This site is one of the best snorkeling spots in the Galapagos, but safety comes first, so listen up.
You can easily get cut. So the idea is to snorkel close to the wall but don't touch it. Okay. That's it. Down!
Bye!
Caliente, caliente.
Okay, I'm going.
Bye, Sarah.
Bye-bye.
Come back in one piece,
Help.
please.
Apparently they say there's sharks in the water. I hope to see them, but not being bit by them. So wish me luck on that one. With that being said, I think I'm next, so... The natural erosion of this ancient cone has formed a channel between the rocks that produce a perfect habitat for the Galapagos sharks, white-tipped sharks, large rays, reef fish, sea turtles, and sea lions. By the way, it is not easy. You either get a good workout as the currents sometimes can be very strong. So stay close to a tugboat and take a break if necessary, like me. But I'm going back for round 2. That was an incredible round 2, and okay, I'm ready to go back onto the boat. It's called dressed. Survived. Whoa, the salt's really getting to me. That's quite something. It's a good experience. Saw some great. You see saw a few turtles, lots of cute fish. I need to get some burgers and fries first. After returning to shore, I'm absolutely hungry. So sadly, I put my wife priority aside and temptation got the best of me. Now, one of the inexpensive thing you can eat in town is empanadas. Empanadas is basically South American version of dumplings. And you'll see Chilean, they eat baked empanadas. Over here in Ecuador, they eat fried empanadas. It's a sweet, it's actually very sweet. I'm not too sure what it is. It's called Morocho? Morocho! Okay, yes. Morocho is a classic Ecuadorian comfort drink, similar to pudding milkshakes, like a thick, sweet drink made with Morocho corns, milk, cinnamon, sugar, and raisin.